Good morning, everybody. I'm Tom with Kentucky Powersports, and as you could see, we're back in front of our Stihl display. I've got a couple of items I want to talk to you about. One, the MS-170 chainsaw. That thing is still on sale. It's going to be on sale through the end of June. The reason I mention that is Father's Day is coming up. So I know we've got almost about a month before Father's Day's here, but let's get ahead of the curve. We don't want to wait till the last second. I don't know how long we'll have these in stock, but anyways, this saw is normally $179.95, and right now it's on sale for $159.95. Makes a great Father's Day gift. Now, something else I want to talk to you about that you probably don't think about a lot of time is PPE, or personal protection equipment. So if somebody in your family has already got that saw, whether it be somebody's father or just anybody, I mean, I know there's some women out there that cut too. How often do they think about PPE? I will tell you what, they ought to think about it all the time. The guys at Stihl, the guys with Bryant equipment, will not pick up a chainsaw without wearing some of this stuff. So take, for example, the Pro Mask, which protects your head, protects your face, even has some ear protection in there. This thing's normally about $90, $91, $92. Also, a decent pair of chaps are about $90, I think they're $99.95. Stihl has come up with something that actually will make sense to me. You're able to get that special someone protected. They have actually put together a PPE kit. So it's kind of cool. Comes with this nice Stihl duffel bag. You get a pair of tinted glasses for eye protection. You get a pair of Stihl gloves. Stihl gloves right there, about 26, 27 bucks. You get the helmet system that has ear protection. We get a nice set of pair of chaps in here too. But guess what? Here's the best part. This kit normally sells for $149.95. Right now, it's actually on sale for $99.95. It will make another great Father's Day gift. Something for you guys to think about. In addition, we want to mention one more thing, because I know we have a lot of folks out there that have been looking for this. But the GTA 26, which is the little handheld battery pack saw, these things are back in stock. Right now I have about 4 or 5 of these things. They've been on back order for some time. They're here today. They're in stock at Kentucky Powersports. So if some of this stuff makes sense to you, come on down to Kentucky Powersports, ask for myself, ask for Cole. We'd love to get you set up with some of these items. PPE, I'm telling you guys, it's important. We want to make sure that we're protecting those that we love. Thanks for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.